A bent garage door panel is more than just an eyesore. It can compromise your home's security and the door's mechanical operation. If you've accidentally backed your car into the door or it was struck by a heavy object, the first step is a careful assessment. Look closely to see if the door still opens smoothly or if the rollers are popping out of the tracks during movement. Minor dings and small cosmetic dents can often be fixed without needing a full panel replacement. For small dents in aluminum or steel doors, a rubber mallet and a wooden block can sometimes tap the metal back into shape. Another common DIY trick involves using heat and compressed air to pop minor indentations back out through thermal expansion. If the bend is a bit larger, but the panel is still structural, a reinforcement strut might be the perfect solution. These U-shaped metal bars run the full width of the door, providing the extra support needed to prevent sagging or buckling. However, if the panel is sharply creased or the metal is torn near the hinges, a simple repair likely won't last. A good rule of thumb is that if more than 2 panels are damaged, replacing the entire door is usually more cost-effective. Finding a matching replacement panel depends entirely on the age, brand, and model of your specific garage door. If your door is over 15 years old, the manufacturer may have discontinued that specific style or paint finish. Keep in mind that a brand new panel might look slightly different from the rest of the door due to years of sun fading. You also need to weigh the labor costs. Sometimes the work required for one panel is almost the price of a full installation. Safety should always be your top priority, as garage doors operate under extreme tension from high-pressure springs. You should never attempt to remove the bottom bracket of a bent panel, as it's directly connected to the lifting cables. A professional technician can check if the tracks are misaligned or if the motor is straining because of the damage. Ignoring a bent panel often leads to much bigger problems, like the door jumping the tracks or the opener burning out. Proper maintenance, including regular lubrication and balance checks, will help extend the life of any repaired section. Choosing between repair and replacement comes down to balancing the severity of the damage with your long-term home goals.